Hi kids, today we are going to see a easy tricks from math from squaring topic. For that I have taken a number ending with 5. So this tricks can be applied for any number of digits, for 3 digit, 4 digit and 2 digits. Okay, so first we should know what is 5 square. Okay, so 5 square is 5 into 5 is 25. Now let's take a 2 digit number of 45 square. So first we have to start with last digit. What is 5 square? We know already the 5 square is 25. Okay, so from the 1 to 3 number series, after 4 the 5 will be there. So 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 25. And from 115 square, again we have to take from the last digit 5 square. So the value of 5 square is 25, and we have the 2 digit value of 11. Okay, so from the number series 11, 12, 13. So 11 after 12 is there. 11 12s are, it is 132. So the answer is 13225. Okay. Thank you.